everybody's having a good day. Today we're going to do a little cooking. I'm going to cook spaghetti. Sorry, I'm smoking. It's a horrible habit, and I smoke when I cook. So, don't smoke. I do. It's bad. And let's get on with cooking. I'm going to make spaghetti. Easiest thing in the world to make. So, what you need is this. Two things right here. Big pan, noodle pan, pasta pan, whatever. Fill it up with water. First wash your hands if you smoke. That would be really ideal. And if you can't see me, it's because I'm at the sink cooking. So, look, here comes Mom. We're cooking. Come in. Little cooking here.
Is it on?
Yeah. I'm cooking. You gonna say hi?
Hello.
Hello. My beautiful mother.
Oh, no, not today, I'm not.
Wonderful mother. And I love you too, Mom. Nope, I think this is pretty easy. Okay. Use Ozarka water. Because the water out here isn't too good. Now there's a wasp. I've had it with this wasp. Excuse me for a second. Come on. Let's go. Into it. Had it. This friggin' wasp. Gotcha. Ooh, I gotcha. Shit. Shoot. Excuse me. Sorry about the language. I think I got it. Come on, dude. Damn. Where'd you go? There you are. Alright. Let's go about it a different way. Really sorry. Got a wasp. I'll be right back. Alright, you're done. You are done, my friend. Totally. Yep, that's it. That's it for you. Maybe not. Oh, gotcha. Stay in there. Yeah, that'll be good for you. This is the most unorthodox way to catch a friggin' wasp I've ever seen. You're gone. Okay. I'm so sorry about that. Wash your hands again if you have to kill a wasp in the kitchen. Please excuse my language, people. I'm sorry. I'm a gentle soul, but I'm trying to make spaghetti here. I don't like wasps in my kitchen. Alright, as I was saying, we use Ozarka water out here because our water is bad. Not horrible. Not like nuclear. Bad in the sense that I'm not going to cook with it. Okay? So, we want to fill this up with Ozarka. And you can hold that under there. Press the button in your water stand. Wait for it to fill up. Or you can do it my way. grab the whole bucket of Ozarka and just go ahead and fill that up. There we go, right there. It's a good desired level. Replace your water bottle. Fire this baby up to high. Alright. I do like to put a little bit of salt in there. It's a little secret. Now this is seasoned salt, so you can just spread a little bit in your water pan here. What I found is that it helps to not make the noodles stick together. It's one thing you can do. A little bit too much water. Okay. Then, over here, of course, we're going to have our ground meat. Can't have spaghetti without that. Got to have the ground beef. I like to get at least 96% fat-free. Go for 98 if you can. 96 is good. 96, 97, 98% lean. The way you can do that is look on the package when you buy it. There's going to be a little sticker on it that says 96, 97, whatever percent lean. That's what you want to look for. And I like to cook our pasta with linguine, fettuccine style noodles. I've always liked it. Mom likes them and I like it. What we have here, didn't know I got two of this. Got a little can of whole mushrooms. Paul Newman's. You can use ragu, whatever you want. We like Paul Newman's. Now with the meat right here, got the big old brick of it. If you've got wooden stuff, try to use that. Works out really good. Just want to chop this up and start. You really don't even want to turn it on. I haven't turned it on. Not going to turn this on for a while. Okay, that's going to be our last step. But do cover it. Go ahead and cover it while you're waiting on your noodles. Or right now we're just heating the water. When it gets hot, we'll add the noodles. After those have boiled for a little while and they're about done, then we're going to start heating up the meat and putting the other stuff in it. And the whole process doesn't take long at all. So bear with me and we'll cut right back to step 2. We'll make it part 2 of the cooking video. Okay, so I'm going to stop it right here and then we'll continue. I'm so sorry about the wasp incident.